topic about reflective study of Indian call center by Chetan Bhagat's One Night at the Red Call Center. So let's have a glance on One Night at the Red Call Center by Chetan Bhagat. One Night at the Red Call Center, a novel written by Chetan Bhagat, and it was published at 2005. This is a pop novel with realistic presentation of characters like burden of work, frustration due to pressure of work, representation of social life between society and modern youth, and there were some social tendencies as well. It is a story of almost love, thwart ambitions, absence of family affection, pressure of a patriarchal setup, and insight on the lifestyle of youth of this country and the work environment of a globalized office. A glimpse of One Night at the Red Call Center. Okay, so the story, the whole story is narrated between Kanpur to Delhi. In the journey of Kanpur to Delhi. In the call center, there were six agents. There were six agents, and there were three male characters. The first one is Shyam Mehra. Shyam Mehra is a narrator of the novel. He has a lack of self-confidence. He is the most important and narrator of this novel. He used to say that I working in call center as an agent of call center. My English is not good. Actually, nothing. Actually, I am nothing in good of. There is nothing in good of mine. So we can say that he has a lack of self-confidence. The another one character is Varun Mehra. Sorry, Varun Malhotra, who loves speed and wills, most carefree person in the book. He stays with his mother. He has a soft corner for his colleague Isha. Vroom has a major problem using his skill. In the end, he gets along with Shyam and start his own web-based company. We can say that he was confused about his life and a confused but patriotic person as well. He doesn't happy with his life as well. The another character is the military uncle. Military uncle, very punctual person, 50 years old man, retired military man. The separated family life of the retired military man, we can say that he loneliness and he live alone. He had some misunderstanding with his son and daughter-in-law, but in the end he realized his mistakes and decided to apologize and go back to them. So here some another three female call center agents. The first one is Radhika Jha. Radhika Jha stays with her husband's family, says in-laws. She had married her husband against her parents' wishes and had transformed herself completely in order to adjust herself into the Orthodox family. She had been working very hard to manage her house and work. Unfortunately, she find out her husband's affair with another woman and decided to give him divorce. We can say that divorce frustration quite. So another girl is Priyanka. Priyanka, an intelligent and a practice girl who is too preoccupied with her mother, who was an extremely important person for her. For her mother's sake, he had decided to break up with her boyfriend Shyam, and however things turned to be different in the end, and Priyanka chooses her lover. Her mother's wishes, otherwise her mother wishes to she get married with an NRI boy Ganesh, but in the end she left him. So another character is Esha Singh. Esha Singh desire to be a model, who wants to become a model, but she was pretty and had been struggling quite hard to get modeling assignment. But perhaps her short height barriers obstacle wall for her choice of career. But she can't catwalk due to her 1 inch short height. He had slept with a designer once to get an offer, who turned out to be a cheat. So what is a call center? Okay, let's have a look on some information about call center and the Indian call centers as well. Okay, so what is a call center? A call center is a centralized office used to receiving or transforming a large volume of inquiries by telephone. An inbound call center is operated by a company to administer incoming product or service support to information inquiries from customers. From consumers. What is a call center job? A call center is a customer service center where employees of a company deal with inquiries, handle technical support, or takes sales by the telephone. The call center handles customer service as well as retail sales, billing and collection. Mentality of India's call center, adding to the stress of the hours, was the culture shock in the call center. He spent his energy training people to think like Westerners, to talk like them, and to spend all day talking to them. They knew only what they have learned in school, in training, and their routine conversations with customers. What is a BPO? Business process outsourcing, or BPO, refers to the process of constructing a standard business function to be handled by a party outside of the company. What are call centers in India? Call centers in India are so many because of the cheap expense that is involved in setting up those facilities. This is why a lot of organization in the Western nations look to upon their call centers or higher service providers in India. How much do Indian call centers pay? They will earn too much as 20,000 rupees per month, or around $2 per hour, or $5,000 per year if they last long, which most will not. In a country where per capita income is about $900 per year, a BPO salary qualifies as a middle class. Okay, reason behind working in call center of one night at the call center agents. So here I have put some original quotes from book, because I need the money. My friends have a lifestyle that I have to keep up with. Money lets me come to place like this. This is by Varun. Every cousin of mine is becoming a doctor or engineer. You can say I am the black sheep of my family. By Shyam. I could have my B.Ed right after my college, but I wanted to save money first. So until it is 200 night after night by Priyanka. Another original quotes, or you can dialogues. Radhika says to earn money for family. Varun left education and by force come into this profession. Priyanka wants to collect money for further education. Aisha and each small size doesn't allow to be a model, sexual harassment and personal problems. Shyam, after having no job, pressure for him to do something. Military uncle having a starched relation with son, it becomes necessary to earn for surviving because the pension is not sufficient. A sweatshop in call center, a factory or a workshop, especially in the clothing industry, where manual workers are employed at very low wages for long hours and under poor condition. Here another original quote from the book: an air-conditioned sweatshop is still a sweatshop. It is worse because nobody sees the sweats. Nobody sees you getting rammed. Here are some disturbance which your call center agents may face. Your biological clock may disturb because of night duty and lack of sleep. A lot of physical and mental stress. Sometimes the behavior with the family may change due to night duties and strain. According to the Shyam's eyes, it may present like Bakshi got all the credit of Shyam's hard work. This is the example that your skill, hard work, and patience are not appreciated by your boss. Some another quote: I was in the water while my boss Bakshi is in the boat next to me. He was pushing my neck in the water. And this quote is at the starting of the novel. This is how the Shyam dreamed And according to Sigmund Freud, people mostly dream that what they have fear the most. A sweatshop in call center. Mental pain is more gruesome and unbearable than physical pain. This is called by Asia. We got paid well, 15,000 a month. Fuck, that is almost $12 a day. Wow, I make as much as a days as a US burger boy makes me 2 hours. Not bad at my college degree now. Not bad at all. This is spoken by Vroom. Okay, Asia taking the pills for relief because of this job, and Vroom rides his bike on Optimum. Though their wages are not even a third to other countries. Requirement to take American identities, they have to change their name to work with American, to work as a call center and dealing with Americans. Shyam Mehta has a Sam Mercy, Varun Malhotra is a Vroom, Asia Singh, Eliza Singer, Radhika Jha, Regina Jones. So call center agents may have to take a training and they have to change their identities. Shyam tells like that T can be silent. Okay, this is the original paragraph which I brought from original text, and Shyam tells about there is a differences in spoken between ours Indians and Americans. Shyam tells us T can be silent, so internet becomes internet. T and A merge, written becomes written. The third sound is when T is in the middle. There is a sound like D, daughter becomes daughter. Last category, when Americans say T, actually like or T man. It is a drive me nuts, and that's just consonant. So here is the picture that is from Indian call center scam. This image credit goes to Delhi Police Cybercrime Unit. Okay, so a photograph released by the Delhi Police Cybercrime Unit shows police arresting a group suspected to conducting an international scam at a call center in Delhi. New Delhi. The police in New Delhi says have arrested more than 50 people. According to the authorities, scammers in the plot would telephone people and tell them that their assets and bank accounts were being sneezed after officers from multiple low U.S. enforcement agencies found their bank account detail at crime scenes involving drug centrals in Mexico and Colombia. Over 4,500 Americans fell for it. The New Delhi police said an official's estimate then more than $14 million was transformed over 2 years only. Okay, let's jump to the conclusion. There is a God's call in the end of the novel One Night at the Red Call Center, and here we also conclude this presentation with the words of God, or we can say that what God used to say in, or what suggestions by God in the novel. The phone call is from God, who speaks modern English. The conversation with God motivates the group to such an extent that they get ready to face their problems with utmost determination and motivation when they emerge from danger. They have clear-cut goals in their mind. On returning to the call center, they carry out their plans and dexterity. A book ends with an epilogue where a girl's end the story and provides an alternative to tell the story from a logical way by military uncle, and suddenly disappears as a mysterious girl. The novel is open-ended as it does not end in a clear way. So there is many problems faced by agent of call centers. So main problem is faced by them. They have a different time with working country. So here are the reference or citations. Okay, thank you.
Okay, fine. You have done a lot. You have taken lots of pain in preparing the slides. Slides